Thank you, Ole and Markus. Great sound for a great car. Isn't that a beautiful beast? On that take the entire family along and in a hurry. Find out more once it is unleashed. Ladies and gentlemen, with this new AMG GT sports car, we are adding another great option to our portfolio. And the reason for that is what Britta pointed out in the very beginning. More options means more choice. We can provide a lot of options to our customers now, catering to literally any customer needs. Just look at the cars we brought to Geneva today. From smart EQ 4.2 and A-Class to the new C-Class up to G63 and AMG GT 4-door Coupe, there's hardly a white space left in our lineup. And we are taking it one step further. Our portfolio offers more variety and choice than ever. Now Mercedes-Me Flexperience will provide our customers with more flexibility than ever to fully experience all that choice. There's only one downside to all this. We are giving Mercedes and smart customers an even harder time finding their perfect package. But honestly, we can cope with that, and I guess our customers as well. Thank you for your attention. Have fun at the Geneva Motor Show. Thank you.